What's going on, you guys?
The spooky guy.
No.
We just doing some singing? Oh, hell yeah. I should give it a shot.
Hello, what's good?
Here, let me turn my music up.
No, dude.
No, don't do it.
You don't want me to
Turn your
sing?
music up.
Alright, I'll turn it down. Anything you say. You're so cute. Oh my god, I love you.
Don't love me. Please don't.
I'll do anything for you. You want a bite of my croissant?
No, I don't.
Isn't she perfect, you guys?
Spooky.
But with Jimmy's one.
Yeah, I've been
stop
looking all
harassing
over for
people?
Miss Neutron. Yo, what's good? Yo!
Hello, Spooky.
Hi, you want a bite of my croissant?
Let me have a bite of that croissant.
Yeah, I knew she wanted a bite of my
gosh.
croissant. Go ahead, take a nibble.
Look at that croissant.
Yeah, these bitches cannot resist my fresh croissant.
Oh no.
I got them waiting in line for it.
He's gone now.
Where's the long ass book right now?
Banish the child! Banish him!
That's my child. Do not kick her.
Oh. Oh, it's
Lord.
actually your child?
Yeah.
Hey, yo. That's pretty lit.
Touch your face. Will it burn? Will it cry? 'Cause I'm burning, screaming out your name. Your name. Did you crash?
Yes, I did, of course.
Why you keep doing that?
Nothing is better. I never knew, never knew. Yo, this song slaps. What's your favorite Adele song, Kat?
What?
What's your favorite Adele song?
Something about an Adele song?
I said, what's your favorite Adele song?
I don't know.
Yeah, honestly, I don't really care for Adele, so I couldn't tell you mine, to be frank with you, but I felt like it was a fitting question. Yo, what's good?
Spooky, what about Jimmy's mom?
Yeah, I've been looking all over for that bitch.
Does Jimmy's mom know what's going on?
Yeah, Jimmy's mom, he got it going on. He's out in a one, and I'm waiting so long. Jimmy, can't you see? Your mom is all I need. We should put that song on.
I'm in love with Jimmy's mom.
Jimmy's mom. Jimmy's mom.
To the right.
To the right. And up the arms.